Okay, it's a blue line oven. Got one shelf here. Over on this side here is your heparin filter. The airflow direction is in this way. We have our power brought in here. It's 480 volt 3-phase. It's phase sensitive. So if the phase is incorrect, you will not get the purge light in the beginning, and your heater will not turn on. You have an on-off breaker here. Turn the system on, the green button. Switch also can be turned on and off. Here's our water temp protection controller. And here's our temperature control here. Okay, we have our limit set to 270. And we're reading 26 degrees Celsius right now. This is the GP350. You'll receive a copy of the manual here. Explains how to program it. Alright, the purge light will come on in the beginning. Whenever the door is closed and you start a program, it'll purge for 10 minutes and it delays the heater contactor from turning on. The cooling light here indicates that there's cooling water going through the cooling coil. And our exhaust opens up on top here. Maybe a little hard to see. There's an exhaust damper, it's a motor controlled damper right here. When you run a program, your event 1 is always on. And what that does is it enables the air circulator blower to turn on, and it also turns on your gas flow here. You can adjust that. So we have a latch here, second latch here. Now I have a program set into program 1. In order to start that running, I'll just hit and hold program 1 for 3 seconds. See, the purge light is on now. Right now the set point is falling for, I started at 0, so it's ramping up to 50. I gave it a 10 minute time frame there, so the cooling light will turn on if the process value is 10 degrees above the set point. I want to let you know I have a RTD hooked up internally just to monitor the temperature to show that the temperatures are correct. You can see we have one shelf in here, the airflow in this direction. So filter. So I'll turn the main breaker on. Turn the breaker on at the wall. Okay, the green light indicates that there is power to the machine. Hit the green button to turn it on, and we'll turn the controller power on. Okay, right here is our cooling solenoid, cooling water solenoid. We have the water coming in, and when that opens up, it'll drain out through here to the drain, through this metal copper pipe. We have our water temp DC in here. We also have our temperature controller DC here. And here's where I have the RTD hooked in. That'll just slide in and out. Here's your line for your inert gas running in. And again, we got 480 volt 3-phase hooked up, and our panels over here on this side. And then we have a cooling port here if necessary. It'll bring air in. Yeah, this is our second oven, the Blue M DCC-1406-G-MP350, serial number DCC-1072. Again, we have our two TCs, over temp and controller, and I also hooked up the RTD to monitor the temperature. We have an inert gas connection, or water in and drain out. Alright, we're now at 250 degrees Celsius. Okay, look at our RTD. Alright, again, we're in hold mode, so what I'll do is I'm going to bring the temperature down to a hold set point. I'll just bring it down to 25 or 50. Bring it down to 200 for now. Okay, now the cooling valve open, and its lights indicating that there's water now flowing through the cooling coil. And also your exhaust valve up top is open. What I'm going to do is I want to test the over temp protection, so what I'll do is I'll high limit set point, bring that down to 230. Yeah, that is working. Here we have our second oven here. It's identical to the first. And what I'll do is I'll run the power to this, water and the inert gas, and then we'll run this one next. Again, the controller is identical to the one previous. It's our overtemp protection controller. The main controller, which is the UP350. And I'm monitoring it with a RTD hooked up to a T-GAN. What I'll do is I have a program set identical to that in program 1, and I'll just press the program key for 3 seconds. Okay, I just want to explain a few things here. We have our set point is now calling for a 48. We're still at 38 because the purge is on and the heater contactor is now off. I'm just going to step through. This here is your segment 1. We have 1 minute left. That's time remaining. And it's trying to put out the output of 100%. Now our purge turned off, our heater contactor turned on. Putting out 100% power to the heater. You can see it's starting to rise. Here's our ramp for segment 2. That's segment 2 when we're doing the ramp for 5 minutes. Again, that's our output power being delivered. So segment 2 is a ramp from 50 degrees to 100 degrees in 5 minutes. And then it's going to soak at 100 degrees for 15 minutes. You can see that our overtemp protection limit sensor is reading roughly the same as our process temperature.
They come in. They just come in.
Okay, you can see we're at 150 degrees here. In segment 5, we have 4 minutes left in the soak. 0% output. See the temperatures match there. Let's look at our RTD. I'm getting a reading of 152. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to put it in a hold mode. What you need to do is press and hold this enter key. Using op.pa. Step through it, the hold, press 1 and enter. And you can see here that the hold light is now on. As long as you're in soak and you're in hold, you're able to vary the temperature. That's the hold set point. And what I'll do is I'll just bring this up to max temp at 250. Now putting out 100% power. We're going to drive it to 250 degrees Celsius. see here again, we're starting from 0, ramping to 50 in a 10-minute segment. At that point, the purge is on for the first 10 minutes, allowing the chamber to purge with inert gas, and the heater contactor is held off. The cooling light is on because the set point is more than 10 degrees less than or the process value is 10 degrees less than the set point, or 10 degrees more than the set point. See that there's some pressure in the chamber now with the exhaust valve closed. So at 400, we've got a very slight positive pressure. And as I increase the gas flow, see the pressure increase. I'll just set it back down to 400. Okay, the 10-minute purge is complete. Now we're ramping from 50 to 100 degrees in 5 minutes. Right now we're at segment 3, soaking at 100 degrees. I'm just going to hold this down enter for 3 seconds. We'll go to the hole, enter 1. See the whole light turns on. And we're going to set this set point to the upper limit, 250. The whole set point. Power out now. Okay, we're up at 250 degrees. I'll test my overtap by lowering the temperature set point. I'll bring the full set point down to 25. light turned on. And our exhaust valve is opening up top.